Hello and welcome Introduction to Forestry. Today I would like to discuss how to measure diameter of a standing trees or a felled trees. We generally use two type of instruments for measuring the diameter of a trees. First one is caliper and second one is tape. By using calipers, especially for if you measure the diameter of a standing trees, first you should know what is calipers and how it is function and how the reading is recorded. About calipers, calipers consist of a graduated scale on which two arms are provided. The left one fixed at 0 mark and right one is movable on the scale. The calipers are wooden. Generally wooden made calipers are not utilized where there is a moist locality because it generally get jammed, as well as of aluminum. Usually aluminum calipers are recommended for use because they are light to carry and have no impact of moisture. Calipers with aluminum scale and wooden arms are also available. The length of calipers can vary. In India, the aluminum calipers are available in 50 to 7500 centimeter length. The graduation on the scale is done in millimeter and centimeters. For those who are illiterate, calipers are also marked with different colors on graduated scale, with up to 20 centimeter no color, 20 to 30 centimeter green, 30 to 40 centimeter red, 40 to 50 centimeter yellow, 50 to 60 centimeter black, 60 to 70 centimeter white, 70 to 80 centimeter grey, 80 to 90 centimeter brown and 90 to 100 centimeter no color. Calipers which provides girth of trees are also available. These are based upon the relationship between girth and diameter. Such calipers are called as girth calipers. To measure diameter of the tree is brought in between the arms of the calipers at breast height. The movable arm is pressed to the tree to have a close contact. Care should be taken that the fixed arm, the movable arm and the graduated scale all are touching the tree. Both the arms should be perpendicular to the scale. At this situation, the diameter of the tree is read from the graduated scale. Since in most of the cases trees are not circular, hence diameter should be observed at 2 points, which should be at right angle to each other, that is A to B and C to D. These diameters are added and divided by 2 to get average diameter. For example, let A to B is 20 centimeter and C to do 22 centimeter. If you want to get average diameter, you should add 20 plus 22 divide by 2, that is 21 centimeter. Diameter measurement of standing trees with the help of tape. Tape generally are made of cloth or reinforced cloth or plastic or steel, usually of 1.5 centimeter wide and their length varies. The tapes are usually marked to read centimeter and millimeter and other side is blank. However, certain tapes have marking of feet and inches on the other side. Usually tapes give girth of trees, but some tapes are prepared to read diameter directly and are called as diameter tapes. To measure the girth is encircled by the tape at breast height, taking care that the tape is not twisted and is at right angle to the axis of the tree. The girth is then read from the tape. It is very simple to measure the diameter as well as girth of the tree with the help of tape. Calipers and tapes generally used for felled trees. The method is something different. These are also used for measuring diameter and girth respectively of felled trees. Girth calipers and diameter tapes can also be used to measure girth and diameter of felled trees. Where diameter cannot be measured and only girth can be measured, or vice versa, following relationship between diameter and girth can be used to obtain the diameter of girth. Diameter or girth. Diameter is equal to girth into 0.3182. Example, find girth of a tree whose diameter is 20 centimeter obtained from caliper. Diameter is equal to girth into 0.3182. If you have 12 centimeter girth, then you should put girth 12 centimeter, diameter put diameter 12 centimeter is equal to girth into 0.3182. Girth is equal to 12 by 0.3182 and it comes to 37.71 centimeter. That implies girth is almost 3 times that of a diameter. While you are using calipers as well as diameter, you should take some precautions, and these are: in slopy areas, diameter should be measured from uphill slope. So, you should always see the slope of where the tree is standing. So, you should stand on uphill side of the plant. In case of leaning trees, suppose एक झुका हुआ पौधा है, on flat lands, diameter should be measured at 1.37 meter on the leaning side of the trees. If forking of tree is above 1.3 centimeter, it is taken as 1, and it is forked at 1.3 centimeter or below, it is taken as 2 separate tree for measuring diameter. Forking, there is a bifurcation from the ground level or above the ground level in 2 parts. If it is more than 1.3 centimeter, bifurcation takes place above 1.3 centimeter, then these should be considered as one tree, and if bifurcation is taking place from the ground level, it should be taken as 2 separate tree. Caliper as well as tapes must be placed at right angle to the axis of the trees. For upper diameter measurement, instrument like Spiegel relay scope should be preferred over scale mounted on staff. Thank you.